So, welcome to this final part of the course, Email Mastery. Congratulations to all of you who made it through the content so far. I'm sure that you have been able to go through a lot of challenging stuff, and I'm hoping that you're learning a lot and taking the most of this course. Please don't forget to write me any questions in the forum of Udemy. I'll be happy to answer and to help you out in any way I can. So, in this chapter, I'm super excited about this one because this is my favorite part. This is where we find the gold. This is where we convert our hard earned leads, our people who downloaded the lead magnet, who are now in our database, how we turn them into buying customers, how we actually get paid for what we are doing. So this is a tough part, and I think a lot of businesses are getting it still not correct. So this is why I will go through it step by step and show you the very, very best tactics which I have gathered from experts in the marketing field and from my own experience. So this is how I'm going to show you to turn skeptics. So by default, everybody who sees a website online is a skeptic first, and how to turn them into buying trusted customers. So first of all, why people don't buy from you? What's wrong with your website? You have a nice product, everything looks good. Why are not they buying from you? So first, the reason they don't know you. Simple as that. Um, a lot of people might be surprised, but this is one of the main reasons. You are unlikely to buy from someone that you don't know, that you're not aware of. There are no testimonials, there is nothing about you, you're not famous, they haven't heard of you, everything looks good, and still they might pass. Everything might look really legit, it might be something useful for them, but they still will pass because they don't know who you are. Then they don't trust you. This is related to they don't know you. Of course, if you don't know someone, you are likely not to trust them. And by default, people online are really sensitive towards scams. They believe that everything is scam until proven wrong. So they will just be doubting you all the time. So you must tackle this in their mind. And finally, of course, they don't like you. You're trying to sell them, you're trying to fool them, you're trying to scam them. In their mind, this is how anyone who's trying to sell anything online looks like. So you must fight all these three in order to convert people who just download your free copy into buying trusted customers. They must have content from you, they must receive quality content for free for a long enough period until they know you, until they like you, trust you, and start even loving you. So I will show you step by step how to build this process, what are the tactics, and how to create this content. So stay with me in the next lectures.